Hi everyone. How many of you all have fell in love with a plant only to bring it home from the store and have it die a week later? So that is the problem. Plants can be found everywhere, but very rarely do you find someone who's knowledgeable in their unique care and can recommend good plants that fit your unique lifestyle and environment at home. That's where we come in. My name is Quontay Turner, and I'm the founder of Emerald City Plant Shop. Emerald City Plant Shop is a small Black women-owned plant shop and botanical event space focused on teaching people how to best care for their plants while providing a unique indoor oasis for your intimate event needs. Our hope is to provide you with all the things to make you and the spaces you occupy feel alive. So the market for plants is huge, especially after a year of spending in quarantine. A lot of people are looking for ways to kind of liven up their spaces and make their homes feel more inviting. We started in December 2020, and since then, we have grossed over $17,000 in sales. It's important to note that 10,000 of those dollars have actually come within the last month since being accepted into the pitch deck competition. So our goal is to be New England's first Black-owned plant shop. As you can see, our local landscape for knowledgeable plant experts is very slim, especially when you don't know where to look for it. So we're hoping to fill in that gap, as well as having a community event space that can be accessible to community members. So our ask is that we are seeking $2,500 that will go towards our grand opening celebration weekend, April 30th to May 2nd. That Friday night, we are looking to have a VIP silent auction private shopping event that we're hoping to invite 30 guests that have been supporters of our brand from the jump, as well as press personnel to kind of publicize our event. During that night, we're hoping to see about $2,500 in sales. And then over the Saturday and Sunday that we're open to for the public, we're hoping to see about 200 paying customers that will also bring in about $35 per transaction. So taking that $2,500 investment and flipping it into $10,000 over our grand opening weekend. We are really excited to work with you and even more excited to open our doors to the public. We hope that this provides you all the information you need, and please don't be shy about reaching out and contacting us. You can visit our website at emeraldcityplantshop.com or contact us at info@emeraldcityplantshop.com. Thank you so much.